How to disassemble your Hygeia personal accessory kit. After you complete your pumping session, you should properly disassemble your personal accessory kit and clean it before your next pumping session. First, make sure the pump is turned off. Then, remove the tubing from the backflow protectors by grasping the end of the tubing to pull it off. Next, unscrew the milk storage containers from the flange base. Screw on a lid with a disc and make sure that your milk is properly stored. Next, remove the flanges from the flange bases. Then, gently remove the duckbill valves from the flange bases. The last step is to remove the backflow protectors from the flange bases. Do not bend them where they connect. Bending might cause the tip to snap off. Imagine the tip is a screw and twist it gently while pulling. Excessive force is never required. Finally, separate the backflow protector case bottom, top, and silicone disc. That completes the disassembly process. Please reach out to our customer service team if you need further assistance.